What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to update your ID Emirates in Etisalat. First guys, log in your account by click on sign in option, and then you see enter your mobile number to log in, or you can continue with your UAE pass. And then guys, go directly before make sure guys you verified UAE pass and valid UAE pass, and after that to log in, click on login with UAE pass, and then go to mobile registration option. You can see here guys, this option here, mobile registration option. From here select account to renew this account type, and then click allow documents. This is how you can do guys. It is simple steps. Just follow this 3 simple step. Log in your account, select mobile registration, and then select account renewal and click approve document sharing and UAE pass. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content.